Python is versatile and can be used for a wide variety of projects. Python is a versatile programming language that can be used for a wide variety of projects. It's easy to learn, powerful, and has a large community of users. What is Python? Python is a general-purpose programming language. This means that it can be used for a variety of tasks such as web development, data science, and machine learning. Python is also a high-level language, which means that it's closer to human language than other programming languages. This makes it easier to read and write code in Python. Why use Python? There are many reasons to use Python. Here are a few. Easy to learn. Python is a very easy language to learn. It has a simple syntax and a lot of resources available to help you learn. Powerful. Python is a very powerful language. It can be used to create complex applications and solve challenging problems. Large community. Python has a large and active community of users. This means that there are many resources available to help you learn and use Python. What can you do with Python? Python can be used for a wide variety of projects. Here are a few examples. Web development. Python is a popular choice for web development. It can be used to create dynamic websites and web applications. Data science. Python is a popular choice for data science. It can be used to analyze data, build machine learning models, and create data visualizations. Machine learning. Python is a popular choice for machine learning. It can be used to train and deploy machine learning models. Python is a versatile and powerful programming language. It's easy to learn, has a large community of users, and can be used for a wide variety of projects. If you're looking for a programming language to learn, we highly recommend Python. Associative We provides IT services, Android and iOS app development, website, digital marketing, SEO, YouTube marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, and market research service. Please contact us via WhatsApp at 9028850524. Email info@associative.in, website associative.in and associative.co.in.